Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to find the equation of the line which will pass by the point 6, 0 and is going to be perpendicular to this line. What we're supposed to do first, like always, we're supposed to find the slope of this line. So I have to solve this equation for y. I have 4y equals x. In order to find y, I have to divide both sides of the equation by 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out. I have y is equal 1 over 4x. The coefficient of x is equal my slope. So if m1 equals 1/4. Next, we're supposed to find m2. M2 we are going to find from this formula because we are looking for the line which is going to be perpendicular to this one. So I have m1 times m2 is equal -1. In order to find m2, I have to divide both sides of this equation by m1. m1 and m1 cancels out and I have m2 equals -1 over m1. So I have m2 equals -1 over 1/4, which is equal -1 divided by 1 over 4, which is equal -1 times 4 over 1, which is equal -4. So my m2 equals -4. Next, I'm supposed to use the point slope form in order to find equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line and will pass by this point. So I have y minus y1 is equal mx minus x1. So I have y minus y1, this is my y1, this is my x1, 0 equals -4 x minus x1, which is equal 6. Okay, I can continue over here. Y minus 0 is equal y equals -4 times x is -4x, -4 times -6, this is equal +24. And this is the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line and is passing by this point. So this is the solution to my problem.